Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Emma. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. How about you?
I slept okay, but I woke up a bit late.
Oh, really? What time did you wake up?
Around 7:30.
That's not too bad. I woke up at 6.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, I like to start my day early.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I drink a glass of water.
That's healthy. I check my phone first.
That's not so healthy.
I know, but I can't stop it.
Then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you eat breakfast right after?
No, I do some stretching first.
Oh, morning exercise.
Yes, just 10 minutes.
That's good. What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually eggs and toast.
Sounds delicious.
Sometimes I drink milk or coffee, too.
I love coffee.
Me too. It makes me feel awake.
What time do you leave for work?
Around 8:30.
Do you walk or take the bus?
I usually walk.
That's nice exercise.
Yes, it takes about 15 minutes.
I take the bus every day.
Is it crowded?
Always, especially in the morning.
Oh no, that's stressful.
Yeah, but I listen to music to relax.
That's a good idea.
What do you do at work?
I work as a designer.
That sounds fun.
It is, but sometimes it's tiring.
I understand.
I start work at 9 and finish at 5.
Do you get a lunch break?
Yes, 1 hour.
What do you eat for lunch?
Usually rice, chicken, and salad.
I love that combo.
What about you?
I often eat sandwiches.
Simple and quick.
Exactly.
After lunch, I sometimes feel sleepy.
Same here.
But I drink water and keep working.
That's a smart move.
When work ends, I walk back home.
Do you cook dinner yourself?
Yes, I do.
Wow. What do you usually cook?
Sometimes pasta, sometimes soup.
That's great.
Do you cook too?
Not really. I order food online.
Lazy boy.
I know, but I'm trying to learn.
That's good. Cooking is fun.
Maybe you can teach me someday.
Sure, I will.
What time do you have dinner?
Around 8 p.m.
Same here.
After dinner, I watch TV or read.
What do you like to read?
Self-improvement books mostly.
That's inspiring.
What do you do in the evening?
I play games or watch YouTube.
Fun way to relax.
Yeah. Do you go out sometimes?
Not much on weekdays.
Same here. Too tired.
Weekends are different though.
Of course. What do you do then?
I clean my house first.
Productive start.
Then I go shopping for groceries.
I do that on Fridays.
Sometimes I visit my parents too.
That's lovely. Family time is important.
Yes, it makes me happy.
Do you meet friends on weekends?
Yes, we go for coffee or a movie.
That sounds perfect.
What about your weekend routine?
I wake up late, then clean my room.
Nice. Then what?
I go jogging in the park.
That's healthy.
Yeah, I love the fresh air.
Then you must feel relaxed.
Exactly. After that, I take a shower.
Do you cook lunch then?
Sometimes, or I go out to eat.
Where do you go?
A small restaurant near my home.
Do they know you there?
Yes, I'm a regular.
That's nice.
In the afternoon, I usually take a nap.
Lucky you.
I need my weekend nap.
Then what do you do in the evening?
I meet friends or go to the cinema.
Sounds like a great weekend.
What time do you sleep?
Around 10:30.
That's early. I sleep around midnight.
You should try sleeping earlier.
I'll try.
A good night's sleep is very important.
You're right. It helps with focus.
Exactly.
So, that's our simple daily life.
Yes, full of small routines.
But they make life better.
Absolutely.
Every day is a new chance to improve.
True. I try to do my best every day.
Same here. Let's keep growing.
Yes, one small step at a time.
That's the spirit.
Okay, time for me to cook dinner.
All right. Talk to you tomorrow.
Sure. Have a great evening, Alex.